Welcome to Career Path 3. This is the first one for 2022. My number one comment, like everything, is this is for you. So we have a full, 10 weeks lined up of content, but there's plenty of time for breakout sessions, and we're going to have office hours and even make one-on-ones available with not only us, but our staff. So you get whatever it is that you need to get you where you want to go.
So this is a much different experience than obviously anything else, any other type of production that we have. As you can see right from the beginning, everybody here is involved. Your mics are turned on if you want. If not, that's fine with us. You can be as involved or not involved as you want. Throughout the program, please feel free to stop us, tell us your story, or ask us questions. Like Jill said, I can't stress this enough. This is really about making sure that every single one of you get what you want. And we're going to talk about goals and goal setting and stuff today. This all started because Jill and I used to substitute an MBA class. And so it was this type of environment. It was the last class that these kids had to take before they graduated with an MBA. And it was just a crack up for me to realize how much they didn't know, what they didn't learn in 2 years of getting a master's degree.
Thank you, everyone.
Good
This was
session.
awesome. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
See you next week.